Hey guys, today I am doing a video with my baby boy and he is going to be choosing my makeup. Kind of tried to do it a couple of different ways, but I think in the end we figured out a pretty good system on how to choose the looks. Without further ado, I'm just going to hop into the video because it is a cute one. No munchkin. I tried to film Picasso picking the products in like his own special little shot because normally he's so adorable and loves to play with any products that he can get his hands on. I think just because he thinks that I'm playing with them, he wants to use them as a toy as well. And that didn't really work out well, to say the least. So we tried with foundation and primer and he was not having it, so I was like, alright, I'm not going to force you to do this. And I'm just going to see if he's going to pick things from my hand. He chose the Laura Mercier foundation primer and it says Radiance on it. I don't know if there's different types. I've never tried the primer before. This is actually brand new for me, so interested. It looks like a cream. Doesn't have any like strong smell or anything. Oh, I need to get a little bit more. I don't know if my skin is just dry, but my face is like soaking it up. And for foundation, he chose the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is in the color 3 Light Medium, which I'm not actually sure if it is my shade. Don't really wear foundation, just grabbed a bunch of them for this trip home. And Picasso said this was my shade, so let's see. Honestly can't see because I don't have my glasses on, so I should probably get an actual mirror. Oh yeah, that's a little bit dark for me, Picasso. It's okay, I still love you. I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender just to make the color a little bit more natural. Oh, he does not like beauty blenders. It's okay, baby, it's not hurting me. I do like that my freckles show through with it. It's a nice like light foundation. I think I could probably build it up if I needed to, but it's not bad. I have 4 concealers for you. Oh no, 5 concealers for you, baby. And you're going to pick one for me, okay? Can you do that? Okay, good. Oh no! What are you doing? Do you see what I mean? He loves playing with the products. Alright, so he chose the Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer. He liked that it was in a different container than the rest of them, I can tell. I'm just going to stick some of that under my eyes. Just to brighten up. A little bit here as well, just to brighten up my forehead, down my nose. For those of you who are new to birds, this means he loves me. Blending it out again before he notices that I have a beauty blender. Wow, good choices, Picasso. I like this foundation. It makes my skin look really nice. It's very like radiant. 3 powders here. Dun dun dun, which one? The one that's closest to you. So we're using the Super Goop Invincible Setting Powder. I actually love carrying this in my purse. I always bring it with me on like vacations, whether it's tropical or not, because I can just pop it on when I am walking around in the sun. Hello. I think I know which one he's going to choose in this because he's a bird and he likes colors. I'm gonna bet that he's going to choose this purple one here. What do you want? No, no, now you have to give it back to me. No, no. I'm using the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. And this is like the teeny tiniest little brow brush I've ever seen. Let's see if he's going to try to eat it while I'm putting my brows on. Ow! No! I wouldn't say that this stuff is like my everyday brow gel, but I do really like it. It fills in what I need it to fill in. He's just gonna chew in my ear this whole time. Don't mind him. Oh, no, you don't get to eat the Chanel. No, not that either. No! Do you like that? Are you happy with your choice? What do you think? Oh, oh, no, okay, now you're okay. Is it this one? You want this one? Okay, okay, I think it's this one. I think it's this one. Alright, Picasso. Oh, really? Oh, really? Picasso chose the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette for me to use on my eyes today. Is there a color you want me to start with? Oh. What color? What color, Picasso? Oh, he keeps going to these two colors here. So we're going to do a pink and yellow. So I'm actually going to start with this color here in the middle, this really pinky color. And I'm going to stick it in the crease. Then I'm going to take the yellow and put it on top of that. So I've never used the yellow in this before. Oh, pretty. I'm actually pulling the yellow down into my lid a bit. I'm going to use this pink, stick it in the outer part of my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. He will literally just chew on me this entire time. Going in to this color and just pulling that down on the outer edge of my lash line. I'm almost creating like a bit of a wing with it, I guess. Back into the pink here. And do some blending with the yellow. And then using this shimmery color, I'm just going to bring that in onto my lid. Does that taste good? A little bit more yellow in the middle there now to brighten it up again. Cleaning up the edge with a not for you to eat concealer brush. No, also still not for you to eat. You ready to choose my eyeliner? No, I don't want that one. No, I don't want that one. I really don't want that one. I thought you weren't gonna do me dirty like that. Wow, look at how thin that line gets. Oh, and I broke it. Why did you do this to me? No. I'm not letting you mess this up now that you fucked me like that. Oh, you know what? I'll do like a little bit of a smudge with it. Oh, maybe I won't. This eyeliner is not bad. I'm just being a little bit over dramatic. And look how beautiful he is. See, how can I stay mad at you? I can't. You're just so cute. Just smudge the edge to see if I can try to like make this look a little bit nicer. Alright, that's what I ended up with on one eye. I still need to clean up the edge, but I kind of like it. It's kind of like sultry. Okay, as much as I hate to admit it, with all the crap that I was giving him, the poor bird, about choosing this eyeliner, I actually really like it, and I'm glad that I kind of ended up with this smokiness with the pencil instead of using a liquid eyeliner. So, going to the bottom, I am going to add a little bit of this orange color mixed with this light color in the middle there. Do you want to choose a mascara? Which one? Which one do you want to play with? He is so bougie. He just chose the Chanel mascara. Le Volume de Chanel mascara. Obviously by Chanel. Bougie little bird. No. I think he's just about done. He's like getting ready to move on. Oh no, you know what heck it is? He sees all of these fun things down here and he wants to play with them. You are not chewing on this because that is dirty and it will make you sick. Blush. What do you want to do? He picks another. Oh, he really likes this one. No, it doesn't taste that good. He chose the Chanel Rouge Cocoa. There's nothing out there that's gonna get you, baby. So I'm using the Chanel Rouge Cocoa lip blush in 416. He also really likes this one. He keeps trying to bite at it. Normally I use a lighter color, but I brought this bright one along because I thought it was fun and I haven't really used it much yet. So I'm just going to add a tad on there and blend it. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay. This is super bright. Beauty blender's coming back, Picasso. Wow, I did not realize how pigmented that color was. I have a lot of options for bronzer for you too. What do you want to play with? He likes the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood contour one, and I like that one too. Little on the nose. It's not gonna hurt you. Shh. No, why is your butt in my face? We're on the home stretch, little boy. We're almost there. It's highlighter time. Which one do you want to use? Oh yeah, there's a lot of options. Alright, going for Becca. I got Moonstone. I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones with this. Lip. Why do you keep giving me the butt? Okay, you're done. Thank you. Where do you want to go? Do you want to go play? Oh, okay, now you don't want to get off me. I'm going to give him two choices, lipstick or lip liner and gloss, and I'm going to let him choose by doing this. Which one do you want? Okay, so we're doing lip liner and gloss. Oh, he goes back for the same one. Okay. Same one that he tried to, no, he's gonna get in there. No, oh my gosh, I let go. So this is the Bite Lip Pencil in number 22, I believe. He's really not happy that I'm not showing this. I actually only brought 2 lip glosses with me, so which one do you want? Of course, the Fenty. That makes sense. I want the Fenty too. Thank you very much. I have to say, I love the color and I love the shine of this lip gloss, but I really don't like the smell of it. It smells like a Yankee Candle store, and I just kind of can't stand it. I think he's done. He sees something outside that he wants to look at. Here's a little derpy derp. Yeah. I would kiss you if I didn't have all this gunk on my lips. So I'm just going to finish it off with Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray. I wanted to do something that was like a little bit brighter and bold since he is so bright. I feel like he did a pretty good job at picking colors. Please give it a big thumbs up for my baby boy. Leave me a comment down below. Oh my goodness, and what your favorite part was. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.